The name Donald Trump, President Trump, missing from the court discussion, but the documents pointing towards a person who went on to become a presidential, went from presidential candidate to president, so people obviously drawing the connection there. But on Twitter, things were not so vague or so confusing. Michael Cohen's lawyer, Lanny Davis, tweeting this. There was a series of tweets, extraordinary stuff, reading this, talking about Michael Cohen. Today, he stood up and testified under oath that Donald Trump, directly naming the president right there, directed him, meaning Michael Cohen, to commit a crime by making payments to two women for the principal purposes of influencing an election. If those payments were a crime for Michael Cohen, then surely they'd be the same for Donald Trump. It goes on, and this is where things start to become problematic for Donald Trump looking forward. This has been described as a new beginning for Michael Cohen by Lanny Davis here, saying that he is going to tell the truth about Donald Trump and is committed to doing so going forward. So the idea here is that Lanny Davis suggesting heavily that there is more to come from Michael Cohen, more disclosures and more information that could be damaging to the president, already in those tweets accusing the president of directing his client, Michael Cohen, to commit a crime to influence the election. All of this on social media. At the moment, we're waiting to see a tweet from the president. We've obviously heard from the president, but waiting to see if the president, his favorite medium often is Twitter, has any response to this kind of information. It's the U.S. Attorney's Office for the South District of New York who brought these charges against Michael Cohen. Some pretty extraordinary tweets from them as well, saying here that Michael Cohen is a lawyer who, rather than setting an example of respect for the law, instead chose to break the law repeatedly over many years. They're moving on to say his day of reckoning, that's how the U.S. attorney here is describing it, serves as a reminder that we are a nation of laws. Now, this also gets particularly interesting and damaging looking forward because Stormy Daniels' lawyer, we heard Michael Cohen's lawyer talking about payments made to two women. Well, one of those women, her lawyer has come forward to say, yes, we are part of this case. That is the adult actress who goes under the name of Stormy Daniels. Her lawyer tweeting this. This is the tweet. The developments of today will permit us to have their case vindicated, to have their case heard. But then it goes on. They are demanding that Donald Trump is basically questioned under oath. They are demanding that, to proceed with an expedited deposition of Trump under oath. So the idea here is that Donald Trump, as part of this case, could be facing questions under oath. So, Belle, in terms of where this could go next, this really is just the beginning.